So first of all, we will tell the examiner my wheels are blocked. My truck and trailer is hooked up. So this truck got a ADIS system. We don't have to drain the wet tank. And I got four things here: pry bar, my adjusting wrench, and flashlight, and my timer, and my truck and trailer parking brakes are applied. Now I'm gonna start the pre-trip under the hood. So I'm gonna open the hood. It's already open now. We're gonna start on the right side. So when we start, we will carry this pry bar with us all the time when we are doing the pre-trip. ਇਹ pry bar ਆਪਾਂ ਹੱਥ 'ਚ ਰੱਖਣੀ ਆ all the time. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੱਸਣੀ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਹੱਥ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਣੀ ਆ. ਐਨੀਥਿੰਗ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪਲਾਸਟਿਕ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕ੍ਰੈਕ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹਨ ਤੇ ਲੀਕ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ. ਲਿਕੁਇਡ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਵੀ ਨੋ ਲੀਕ. 에ਅਰ ਦੱਸਣੀ ਆ. ਡੈਮੇਜ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਕ੍ਰੈਕ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੋਲਿਡ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਹਨ. So we will start from the top. My air cleaner is secured. No crack, no damage. Clamps are secured. My turbo is secured. No leak, no damage, no bolt missing. Exhaust secured, no bolt missing, no damage, no leakage. All my air lines or the clamps are secured, no bolt missing, securely tight. These clamps too, and no leakage, no cut, no bulges on the pipes. AC compressor is secured, no bolt missing. Alternator is secured, no bolt missing, no damage. Both belts got good tension, normal play, and no teeth missing, no cut. Radiator fan, no blade missing, secured. Radiator, no leakage, no damage. Radiator bracket is secured, no bolt missing, no damage. Hood shock is no leakage. Hood wire is secured. Then air dryer secured, no air leak, no bolt missing. Governor is secured, no air leakage. Discharge line is very important, no leakage, no damage. Hood light assembly is secured, the wires are connected properly. Mud guard is secured, no crack, no damage. Mud guard on this side is secured too, no damage, no crack. Windshield fluid is full, cap is secured. Now we're gonna say couple things together here. ਇੱਥੇ ਕਈ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਕੱਠੀਆਂ ਬੋਲ ਦੇਣੀਆਂ. Frame, hanger, suspension, U-bolt, axle, tie rod, all are secured, no crack, no damage, no bolt missing. Shock is secured, no bolt missing, no leakage. Air line to the brake chamber is secured, no cut, no air leak. Brake chamber is secured, no bolt missing. This truck got disc brakes, so we don't have to measure the push rod travel on this. Inside seal, no leak. Inside rim, no crack, no damage. Inside tire, no cut, no bulges. Tire fully inflated. Tire thread is more than 3 mm. It's legal. Even wear. Outside tire, no cut, no damage. Outside rim, no crack, no damage. All 10 lug nuts are secured, no lug nut loose, no missing. Outside seal is the cap is secured, no leakage. Oil level is full and the cap is secured. Now we're gonna go on the left side. Once you come on the left side, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਆ ਕੇ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਵੀ the air compressor is behind the engine. There is no audible air leak, so that means air compressor is secured. All airlines are secured, no air leakage, no cut, no damage. Steering rod is normal play. Fuse box is secured, Mudguard is secured, no crack, no damage. There is no leakage on the engine body. There is no oil leak. All my pipes are secured, no crack, no leakage, no damage. All clamps are tight and secured. My radiator coolant is full, color is normal, and my both caps are securely tight. Radiator bracket is secured, no bolt missing, oil cap is tight, and my fuel lines are secured, no fuel line is leaking. Steering box fluid is full, both caps are tight, no leakage, no damage, and the pipes are secured, no cut, no damage. Steering box secured, no bolt missing, no seal leak. Lower components, no crack, no damage, no bolt missing and secured. Radiator is, there's no leakage on the radiator. Discharge line on this side is secured. Hood shock, no leakage. Hood wire is secured, no damage. Hood light assembly secured, no damage. The wires are securely connected. Mudguard is secured, no crack, no damage. Frame, suspension, hanger, U-bolts, axle and tie rod. All are secure, no crack, no fresh damage, no bolt missing, no loose nuts on them. Air line to the brake chamber is secured, no air leak, securely connected. Brake chamber is secured, no bolt missing, no air leak. No push rod travel on this truck because it's got a disc brakes. Inside seal, no leakage. Inside rim, no crack, no damage. Inside tire, no crack, no cut, no bulges. Tire fully inflated. Minimum thread is more than 3 mm. Even wear. Outside tire, no cut, no bulges. Outside rim, no crack, no damage. All 10 lug nuts are secure and tight. Hubcap seal is secured, no oil leakage, and oil level is full. इसे बंद कर दो.